is Achal Gupta and welcome back to CloudBik channel, your one-stop channel for cloud technologies, Microsoft 365 and modern workplace learning. Today we are starting a brand new series on Microsoft 365 Admin Center. In this series, I will guide you step by step to how to manage users, group, license, email security, and device, and much more inside the Admin Center. Whether you are beginner or already working in IT, this series will help you understand Microsoft 365 administration in the simple and practical way. So let's begin with the introduction to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center and make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the upcoming videos in this series. So let's start. What is Microsoft Office and Microsoft 365? Microsoft Office was traditionally a set of desktop applications such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. These applications were installed on a computer and required one time licensing. Microsoft 365 is a modern cloud based version of Office. It includes Office application and along with cloud services such as Exchange Online, SharePoint Online, OneDrive, and Microsoft Teams. Microsoft 365 work on a subscription model and support collaboration, remote work, and cloud security. What is Microsoft 365 Admin Center? Microsoft 365 Admin Center is a centralized web-based management portal used by administrator to manage all Microsoft 365 services. It allows administrators to control users' license, domains, security, and service health from one place. Instead of managing each service separately, administrators use the Microsoft 365 Admin Center as the main dashboard. Why Microsoft 365 Admin Center is important? The Microsoft 365 Admin Center is important because it provides a single interface to manage the entire Microsoft 365 environment. It simplified administrative tasks and help IT team manage users and services efficiently. Common uses include creating user, assigning license, monitoring service issues, and controlling organization-wide setting. How to access Microsoft 365 Admin Center? The Microsoft 365 Admin Center can be accessed by visiting admin.microsoft.com. Only users with administrative roles such as global admin, user admin, or exchange admin can access this portal. Overview of Microsoft 365 Admin Center dashboard. Here you can see the home tab. Here display important notification, recommend actions and service alerts. Users. You can see the user tab. What it does, used to create users, assign license, reset password and manage user properties. The teams and group, manage Microsoft 365 group, distribution list, and Microsoft Teams. Here you can see the resource tab. What it does, the resource tab is used to manage shared organizational resources such as meeting rooms, equipment, and other bookable asset in Microsoft 365. It lets admin create, edit, and control setting for these resources so users can schedule and uses them efficiently. What resources included? Rocks, meeting room, example, conference room, equipment, mailbox, shared item, example, projectors, laptop, resource booking setting, rule for who can reserve approval, requirement, schedules, limit. The marketplace tab allows administrator to discover, purchase, and manage third-party and Microsoft applications. So, in the billing tab, you can see these options. What it does, the billing tab is used to manage subscription, license, invoice, payment, and usage details to Microsoft 365 services. Here we go with the support tab. The support tab is used to raise services, request, track tickets, and get help from Microsoft support. Okay. In this setting, is used to configure organization-wide settings such as domain security, default services, and user permissions. Okay, so you can see this setup tab. In the setup tab helps administrator configure Microsoft 365 services, domains, DNS records, email setup, and initial tenant configuration. Okay. In the reports, you can see these options. The reports tab provide usage and activity report for Microsoft 365 services like Exchange, Teams, SharePoint, and OneDrive. Let's go to the health tab. What it does, the health tab shows service health status, incident advisories, and message center update from Microsoft. Admin centers quick access to Exchange, Intra ID, SharePoint, Teams, and security admin portals. Admin Center inside Microsoft 365. Exchange Admin Center. Okay, let me show you the Exchange Admin Center tab. See, used to manage mailbox, mail flow rules, and shared mailbox and spam protection. Now the second is Intra Admin Center. Here you can click on this tab, Identity. It will directly open the Intra Admin Center. So, Intra Admin Center used for identity management roles. Okay. Permissions and conditional access. Now the next is SharePoint Admin Center. This is the SharePoint Admin Center tab. Okay, managed. Basically, it is used to manage SharePoint site and OneDrive setting. Next is Teams tab. What it does, the Teams tab is used to manage Microsoft Teams setting policies and configuration for users access the organization. It allows administrator to control how Teams is used, secure and governed. What you can manage in Teams tab, Teams policies, user permission access, Teams creation and deletions, meeting settings, external and guest access, voice and calling features, Teams apps and integrations. Next step is Power Platform. Let's go to the Power Platform tab. In the Power Platform tab, we can see the Power Platform tab manages Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power Virtual Agents. And so the next is Security and Compliance Center. Here you can click on the Microsoft Purview. The name is changed. You can see the communication compliance, compliance alert, compliance manager. There's a lots of feature in this. Used to manage security policies, alerts and compliance too. This is alerts. Here you can manage the security policies, alerts and compliance. Here you can create alerts according to your requirement. Who should use Microsoft 365 Admin Center? Microsoft 365 Admin Center is mainly used by IT administrators, cloud engineers, system administrators, help desk engineer, and Microsoft 365 support professionals. Let's discuss on the conclusion. The Microsoft 365 Admin Center bring all initial management tool into one place, making it easier for administrators to run their organization smoothly and securely. It simplifies daily tasks like user onboarding, group management, license assignment, email configuration, and service monitoring. With a user-friendly interface and powerful feature, it helps you maintain productivity, ensure compliance, and keep your entire Microsoft 365 environment secure. Understanding how to admin center work gave you to confidence to manage your tenant effectively and lays a strong foundation for deeper Microsoft 365 administration skills. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for the next videos. If you have any query, any suggestion video, so you can just ping me on the comment section. We will cover this in a next part. Thank you so much.
Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Also follow us for more social media platforms. Social media links are in the description.